Good morning, everyone. It is Wednesday, December 7th, aka the day my mother was born. Happy birthday, Paula. I sent her a very probably jarring voice memo of me singing her happy birthday this morning before she woke up. So I'll call her later when she's actually awake, since they're 3 hours earlier. A blessed day. Meanwhile, in New York, it's raining again, but I'm determined to have a much better day than I did yesterday. If you saw my last vlogmas, I was struggling, and I'm already off to a better start, feeling refreshed. Got my entire vlog edited from the last couple days, so I'm uploading that right now. And yeah, I'm just excited about the next couple days. It's gonna be good. I have fun plans though. It's gonna be a fun vlog, hopefully, and I'm already feeling so much better. So today, I'm going to a Juneshine event tonight. I love Juneshine. It's hard kombucha, and they're opening a whole storefront. Well, storefront, I think it's like an actual bar that they're opening in Williamsburg. So basically you can get Juneshine on tap. I think that's the concept. We're about to find out because we're going tonight to their event. It's like their grand opening is this weekend, so they're doing a little preview promo kind of thing tonight, and I got invited, so I'm so excited. My friend, wow, what a rhyme. My friend is gonna come with me, and she's gonna come here after work, drop off her stuff, and then we'll probably head over there. We might meet up with other people for trivia after or something, or maybe we'll just go to the event and then that'll be it, but I'm excited for that. Yeah, I'm just like ready to have a fresh new day, new dawn, new day, new life, etc. Michael Bublé. I physically can't have a bad day on my mom's birthday. It's just not allowed. I need to make my thumbnail for this and get it posted. Welcome to Vlogmas day 5, I believe. 5th Vlogmas. We're almost halfway through. That's wild. Cheers to a good day. Okay, I got ready a little early, and now I've been working on another application. This job I'm like so about, but you know, it could be good, so better to apply than not. Because of the rain, I kind of just felt like sitting at my desk and staying home for the afternoon. But yeah, so I'm doing this, and then I have FaceTime with my friends. I haven't talked to Sophie and Sierra on FaceTime like together in a long while. Like, we got caught up with Thanksgiving travel and stuff, and we just haven't had a chance to all FaceTime. So we're doing like a lunchtime for the West Coast FaceTime and catching up a little bit, and maybe talking more about Sierra's bachelorette party and just life, etc. So I'm gonna talk to them for a bit, and then call my mom for her birthday and finish up this application, and then by that time I think my friend will be heading here to get ready for the event. I'm gonna adapt a cover letter that was from a similar role. This is like a job that's focused on one particular issue area that I worked on in my last role, but it wasn't my focus, so that's why I was a little hesitant, but it's fine. One of my goals for myself was applying to more of the things that seemed a little bit out of reach, or that they weren't super aligned with my portfolio, and just giving it a shot. So that's what we're doing. I suddenly just got very tired, so I'm wondering if maybe I should have another coffee. I hardly ever have a second coffee anymore, but I also do think there's something to be said about going into winter and with less daylight and, you know, less good weather. I feel like you're just generally more tired. At least I am. I actually don't think I've applied to a role that was focused on this issue yet, so it might have to take a little more workshopping, but we'll figure it out. Okay, I worked on my cover letter and FaceTime my friends. It was so good to catch up, and they always just make me feel better. So I decided to put on my outfit before I call my mom, just in case we get caught up, and then my friend is like here by the time I'm still talking to her. So this is what I think I'm gonna wear to the Juneshine event. It is a little crop sweater, skirt, and tight situation. I got these from Sheertex. I actually just got this pair in the new, or the recent sale, where they were $35, and they have like shorts built into them, so that's nice. And then this little cutout skirt is from Lulu's, goes up to the waist, and I tucked the top of this Princess Polly sweater in. So yeah, and I'll probably wear this with black boots and a little black coat over it to the Juneshine event. So I'm excited, and now we're gonna call my mom and wish a happy birthday. Girl.
50.
She didn't answer. She's probably on the phone with so many freaking people today that are calling her, and she's just Miss Popular. Okay, well, I guess while we wait, I'm gonna try this necklace with it. This necklace is a little bit tricky because I feel like it never quite lays right. Like, it's supposed to be flat, but I just mess it up. I don't think it's quite long enough because this is, yeah, it's gonna hide it. Okay, never mind. Okay, we're gonna try 2 different leather jackets and a long coat. So, option 1, I don't know. I don't know if this is the look. This one, I'm already skeptical about. I think it looks lighter than the skirt, so maybe not. This is definitely the most comfortable, and it's long, so it kind of like I can cover my skirt and stuff when we're walking, and I think this is just a nice classic look. So we're gonna do this and black boots. We got an Uber code from the event planning company, so we'll take an Uber there, and I'm excited to get some Juneshine.
That one's gonna be really spicy. The cranberry apple cinnamon, that's our holiday one. Then you've got hog, so passion fruit orange guava. And then I did the blood orange mint. It's nice, light, and refreshing. And if you drink it from left to right, this will be like your palate cleanse.
All right, thank you so much.
Will.
Okay, I think I'm gonna go with the neutral ash plain. Alright, you're gonna pour your fragrance in and then stir for about a minute. Okay. And you can just leave everything on the table. Thank you. 1 minute. I can't get over how bad my wig is off center now. Like, how did I think that was good?
The rain is finally done. Hello, good morning and happy Thursday. Kicking off the second part of this vlog. I'm just getting my day going, and I wanted to show you guys what I got from Juneshine last night. Basically, the event, I guess I didn't really do a recap when I got back, but the Juneshine preview was so cool. I definitely want to go back. It's going to be open to the public on Saturday. That's their like grand opening event. I guess this will be up before then. So if you're watching this and you're in New York and need something to do on Saturday, I think they open at like 1 p.m. and it's going to be open all day. Little side things and a DJ and all that jazz. But basically, I didn't realize it was going to be such a cool like big space. I really thought it was just going to be like a room with a bar and a little bit of footage, but when you walk in, it's the bar. They have really cool, I love the theme and the styling, and they have a Juneshine on tap, and also it's regular bar, so you can get other cocktails too, beer, etc. Got a couple of drinks. We did a little flight of Juneshine, and then we went to the back room where they had the disco balls and the DJ, and they had a little candle making station. So that's, I got a clip of that, I think, and I'll show you guys what my candle turned out to be. The outside is much cuter than the inside. I kind of panicked when we were able to decorate it, and I don't know why I put glitter on it because that's very much not very me. It smells so good though. They had 3 different scents that were based on or like inspired by Juneshine flavors, and this one I did was like cocoa something, but it's pineapple, so it's just like a tropical one. It smells so good. It's very springy though, so I probably won't burn it until spring. But I decorated it with these pink flower petals and glitter, and they just look a little chaotic, but it's fine. We got the wooden wick, stuck it to the bottom of the empty canister, and then took like a little vial of our fragrance, and she poured in hot wax, and then we mixed in our fragrance for like a minute, and then it solidified, and right before it was fully dry, we added the toppings and they trimmed the wick, and that was it. So very cool. This is the company that did it, just like a little promo there. It's called Lantern in Chinatown. So they have a whole business. It's actually kind of a fun activity to do, maybe for a date idea or with your friends or whatever. At Lantern with an E at the end, lab, and that fosters community and creativity through the art of candle making. Create your own custom candle at our lab and check out our Asian inspired scents. We got there on the later side, so we were there when they were kind of like cleaning up and getting ready to go. And the bouncer was like making his own candle at the end of the night. It was so cute. I definitely want to go there with my friends because it's on 98 Berry Street in Williamsburg, so it's like we always hang out over there anyway. And they gave us these little bags. And then afterwards we went to 12 Chairs Cafe and got a little bit of a late dinner-ish. We didn't really get much food because there were snacks at Juneshine, but we just shared a couple like small plates, and it was amazing. I've never been to 12 Chairs before actually, but so good. And then I came back here and read some of my book and went to sleep. And I called my mom because she didn't answer before I left, so I called her when I got back and we talked for a while. And she had a really fun birthday. And it was just fun to hear about what she and her friends did. And they like went to a little holiday market and went shopping and got drinks and lunch. I'm gonna get ready, and I think because it stopped raining, I'm gonna go somewhere into the city or something. I just feel like I've been in my apartment the last few days with the raininess, and I haven't been in the best headspace, as I've said, so I think it'll be good to like kind of go somewhere. I'm not really sure where yet, and my plans aren't very solid, but I'll just kind of bring my laptop and get some work done somewhere else. And then I have my soul cycle, and then I have a soul cycle class tonight at 5:30 in FIDE, because that's where Cher's teaching. So yeah, I'm excited. I've decided that I'm just gonna head into downtown Manhattan. I'm gonna go to FIDE because that's where my soul cycle class is later, so I might as well just go hang out around there and maybe go to a coffee shop. I was also thinking about going to work at the Beekman Hotel, but it was hard to tell on Google Images and stuff, like if there's an actual space in the lobby that's good for working and stuff, and if they have a cafe, or if it's just kind of a bar restaurant situation, because I prefer a cafe. So I don't know, I might just end up at a coffee shop, and I'll be there for the afternoon until Soul Cycle. Workout clothes with this hoodie over it from Story and this puffer vest. I'm actually not sure if this will be warm enough. Okay, perhaps not. Okay, I'm going for this light puffer instead. This is the best we can do. This week has just been something. I'm gonna bring my little Juneshine bag. Oops. Because this actually, because it's wide, can fit quite a bit of stuff. And headphones, I think I'll be good to go. Okay, just left the coffee shop. I randomly got a notification that my soul cycle class was just canceled. And it disappeared from the schedule, so RIP, we'll have to go back another time, and I booked normal instead. Although I'm not quite wearing the right shoes for it, but we'll figure it out. Also got new wraps because I have to redo, but I need to do this anyway. It's really fun. While I'm cooking dinner, I'm having an appetizer, which is leftover home fries. Oh, I just realized that Netflix is going off. I just pulled up Wednesday, which is what I'm gonna watch. I have not started it yet, but I've heard great things. Standing here just eating my home fries, waiting for it to be done. They're way crispier because I heated them up in the air fryer. I'm currently making a little pasta dinner. It's been a minute since I've had that. So I cooked up some Italian chicken sausage, or just chicken apple sausage from Trader Joe's that I took out of the freezer. Gluten-free penne. I'm gonna drain it now. Gotta heat up some sauce. It got done so quickly, I was not expecting that. Anyway, these home fries are like thick cut potato chips almost. They were pretty good. Heat up some sauce. I'm gonna have that, watch Wednesday, and edit this vlog because I realized, well, basically the coffee shop that I went to, Black Fox, they unfortunately didn't have Wi-Fi, which I didn't realize before going. Luckily, I was able to do some offline work. I finished the cover letter that I wanted to submit for the, and I submitted the job that I was working on yesterday. So that was good. I just used my hotspot to like submit it and check a couple other things. But I was gonna edit some of this vlog, but I forgot the memory card in this camera here. So I didn't get to do that yet, so I'm gonna do that tonight while I'm watching Wednesday, eat some dinner, and chill out and just have a relaxed Thursday watching Wednesday.
And that girl Bianca Barclay is the closest thing Nevermore has to royalty. Although her crown's been slipping lately.